We're at Pleasure Valley this weekend, looking forward, coming off a podium finish, which I'm really excited about. A little bit of a different terrain. We went from sand to hard pack, so I've been training at the 9.2 Cruise place, which is actually a little bit of hard pack. I've been chiseling it up because I figured we'd get some chisel ruts here and there, so that's what I've been doing, trying to mimic the track. Just looking forward, you know, the JH Crew's getting me tuned in, getting some fresh service on some PEP shocks, so we're looking awesome. My goal for the weekend is minimum is always top 5, but obviously now with grabbing the podium at Daytona and Sunset, I mean, now the goal is more towards leaning podiums every time, which we're hoping for.
What's up, guys? We're here at Pleasure Valley Raceway, one of the closest national tracks I've ever lived to. Super pumped to be out here this weekend. Last year we had some unfortunate luck here, but this year we're on a new bike, new attitude, and we're ready to come out here, have some fun, and you know, mix it up at the hard pack track. So it's always looking good out here at Pleasure Valley. I'm excited to be out again, and just looking for a good weekend. Obviously pushing for them moto wins. They're very important right now. Feeling really good. Trying to bounce back after last race. We had a couple issues, but yeah, I'm definitely excited to get out there and hit the track.
got 2 top 3 starts and just rode my race and got a 3-4 and had a really good day, and I'm excited. Just super pumped. Gonna have fun tonight with fireworks, and just thank you to everyone that helped me. I'm super pumped.
You know, salvage the day, but man, it was a rocky second moto, a lot of roost, and man, just really happy to get out of here in one piece, and we're gonna keep chugging along and get ready for Unadilla next.
It's just one of them races where it came to me. The track was hard pack and slick, and I love it. And you know, we're heading to Unadilla next. Super excited for that one too. It's another one that hopefully it works out in my favor again, and you know, just got to keep that red plate on this bike. But yeah, just can't thank everyone enough. The Phoenix crew, just another 1-1 finish, and got the red plate back. I'm pumped.